Welcome back, family. Welcome to the English Flow Podcast. I'm Chris.
And I'm Jerry, and today we're doing something a little different, something relaxing, something powerful.
Yes, today's episode is called Learn English While Sleeping.
Which basically means you're about to learn English while your brain is literally doing nothing.
Exactly. Today isn't about hard work. No memorizing, no stress, just your pillow, your dreams, and English slowly sliding into your brain like a ninja.
All right, so listen. When you sleep, your brain does something magical. It takes all the English you heard and it organizes it like a librarian.
Yes, your brain is like, all right, let me file this sentence, and let me organize this word, and let me save this grammar in the USB folder inside your head.
Today is not about hard work. No memorizing, no stress. Just your pillow, your dreams, and English slowly sliding into your brain like a ninja.
Okay, I need to tell you this story. I had a student who listened to English every night while sleeping. He wasn't even trying to study. He just played English playlists while sleeping. And guess what he told me? He said, Chris, I had a dream that I was speaking English with a talking cat.
A talking cat? Bro is learning English and making Disney movies in his sleep.
But here's the crazy part. When he woke up, his English actually improved. Not the cat part, but the English.
Okay, let's break it down simple. When you sleep, your brain relaxes. Your stress disappears. Your fear disappears. Your confidence gets stronger. Your memory becomes sharper.
So if you listen to English while sleeping, your brain absorbs the patterns without pressure. No fear, no overthinking, just flow. Let's do a calm practice. If you're listening while trying to sleep, this part will help your brain relax. Repeat in your mind, I understand English. English is coming to me. I speak easily. My brain loves English. I don't need pressure. I learn naturally.
Yeah, this is not studying. This is relaxing fluency. This is peaceful English. This is sleep-level confidence. Okay, imagine if school said, today's homework, go take a nap.
Bro, I would graduate with 500 degrees.
Same, I'd be the top student in the whole world. Sleeping, competition, champion, gold medal.
But seriously, you can learn while resting. Your brain is amazing like that. Okay, let's give listeners some simple, gentle English patterns that the brain can remember while they sleep. Repeat softly in your mind as we say them. I want to speak better.
I can speak better.
I am learning every day.
I don't need to be perfect.
I enjoy learning.
My English is growing.
My brain remembers.
I speak more confidently.
I once had a student who couldn't speak at all. He was shy, scared, always nervous. But every night, he listened to simple English before sleeping. After 2 months, he said something beautiful. I don't know how, but my English feels easier now.
Because sleep removes fear. Because sleep makes learning gentle. Because sleep helps the brain absorb patterns naturally.
All right, Jerry, let's continue where we left off. We were talking about how the brain turns into a little English student while you sleep.
Exactly. It's like your brain says, hey, boss, you go sleep. I'll handle the vocabulary.
My brain never says that. My brain says, bruh, let's think about chicken sandwiches at 3 a.m.
Oh, yeah, that's true. But seriously, learning during sleep is real. Not magic, not Harry Potter grammar spells, but your brain repeats and saves what you learned in the day.
Think of your mind like a storage room. Daytime, you collect English words. Nighttime, your brain puts them in the right shelves.
And if you don't sleep well, everything stays on the floor, like my laundry.
Bro, that laundry has been there since season 1 of our podcast.
Because I'm giving it emotional support.
Okay, so here's the real reason listening before sleep is powerful. You're relaxed, your mind is quiet, and your brain becomes a sponge.
A big, wet English sponge.
Jerry, please. We're trying to sound professional.
I am professional. Professionally funny.
Anyway, when you relax, your brain focuses better, even if you're not studying. So listening to easy English helps you learn naturally.
Here's the best part. You don't need grammar books. You don't need long vocabulary lists. Just listen, relax, sleep.
And don't feel guilty. Learning while relaxed is real learning.
Exactly. You're not being lazy, you're being smart lazy.
Yes, smart, lazy. Put that on a t-shirt. Smart, lazy English learner. Okay, story time. One night, I fell asleep watching an English documentary. And in the morning, I woke up speaking like a 90-year-old British man.
Do it. Say the voice.
Oh, dear boy, could you kindly pass me the teacup?
Bro, you sounded like you were born in a London teapot.
Hey, sleep learning works. Just sometimes too well.
All right, practical tips time. Before you sleep, listen to easy story podcasts, slow English talks, relaxing English lessons, soft conversation videos.
Don't listen to horror stories, angry news, fast English arguments.
Yeah, imagine sleeping while someone shouts, "This is breaking news!"
Your brain will wake up like, no thanks, I quit.
You don't need hours. Even 10 to 20 minutes helps.
And don't force yourself. If you fall asleep in the first 2 minutes, congrats. You're learning anyway.
Your brain is like, nice, I'll take over from here.
Here's a simple night routine. 1, get comfortable. 2, play an English story or podcast. 3, close your eyes. 4, don't try to remember anything. 5, let your brain do the job while you sleep.
Learning English while doing nothing. My favorite hobby.
Mine too. We're both professionals at learning while lazy. All right, everybody. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Learn English while sleeping.
But hey, don't go to sleep yet. We still need you awake for the outro.
Yeah, stay with us for one more minute before you start your sleeping English training. We want to hear from you in the comments. Tell us, do you listen to English before sleeping? What kind of English audio helps you relax the most? Have you ever had a funny dream in English?
Yeah, we want to read your funniest dreams. Did you argue with your teacher in your sleep? Did you order pizza in English in your dream? Tell us everything.
If today's episode helped you relax and learn something new,
then make sure you like the video. It boosts the channel more than coffee boosts my brain.
and don't forget to subscribe to the English Flow podcast because we drop new, fun, friendly episodes every single week.
And share this episode with a friend who loves learning while sleeping. Maybe they'll dream about us too. Just kidding. Or maybe not.
All right, everyone. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Sleep well, learn well, and keep your English flowing.
We love you guys. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.